Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Planet Zoo game not launching or not opening won't start stuck on black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to verify integrity of game file. So after going to Steam, under library section you have to select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So it may take some time, wait for it. Once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that you have to go to the search option. Here you have to search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to run the game as admin. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If the issue continues, come back again, this time select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings. After that, you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, go to the browse section, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked. After that, click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just have to copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. Click on it. You will get a repair or install option. Click on repair. Click on yes. Wait for some time. And after you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts again, log into the game and click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to update Windows. Make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update. Here you have to click on check for updates and wait for some time. If there is an update available, update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to disable mods. So you should disable any kind of mods that are enabled, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it. Now click on properties. Under general, here you have to check enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next solution is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphic settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, select it and then click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next method is to move the game to SSD. So you must check if the game is installed on SSD or not. If it is not, then you can suffer from crashing or several other issues while playing the game. So from here you can check it by clicking on Steam option, then click on settings. After that, click on storage, and here you will find whether the game is installed on SSD or on other drive. So in my case, the game is installed on SSD. But if your game is installed on another drive, then you have to simply select it and after that click on move option. So this will move the game to SSD. Once done, launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues again and again, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from a PC. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and again reinstall Planet Zoo game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not.